I basically believe I will smile on 5th of January. Because 5th of January, the exposition ends. And with the ending of the exposition, our responsibility ceases. Till the 5th, yes, today being the feast is an important day. Today being the feast is also part of our, it's the main day, 3rd December. We celebrate the feast, whom is affectionately known as Goinso Sahib. He is revered by all religions. We've had pilgrims that have come from various parts of India. Yes, neighboring states are a major contributor. And I had the privilege of spending time with the pilgrims yesterday at the pilgrim village. And I was surprised that amongst the pilgrims that have come walking for 7 days, 8 days, there were people from various religions. It was not just Catholics. This goes to prove the respect, the love, and the this thing for Saint Francis Xavier. I'm happy that they came. I'm happy that the government has been able to provide basic facilities under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I think I would not be wrong in saying that this is the first time that the government has been able to provide a pilgrim's village, thus arranging facilities for these pilgrims, thus trying our best to ensure that they have a comfortable stay whilst they visit Goa. I would also, on behalf of the government, like to state that whatever we have been able to achieve has been because of teamwork of various government officers who have participated in the process. Organizing an event of this magnitude is not easy. It was a task entrusted to us by the Chief Minister. It was a task that was given to us, and I'm happy to say that we also got a lot of cooperation from the church authorities. The church authorities under the leadership of the Archbishop, Cardinal Philip Neri, Cardinal Ferrao, had their own vision, and we could jointly work together and resolve issues and ensure that this exposition goes on smoothly, that whatever has to be done, be it on the part of the church, be it on the part of the government, has been done. Ultimate goal was to provide basic amenities, facilities, and make your visit to Old Goa a comfortable visit. I have to also give credit to Father Henry Falca and Father Lawrence, who spent time with us, who put across their views, who were very accommodative. Many an issue we could not deliver, but they understood, and we worked, all of us, as a team. I hope and pray that the balance days up to 5th January continue to be as smooth as they were till date.